My name is still RedTeam Assignment, and for this assignment, I've been tasked with revising and finalizing the final report again. And I've learned that although it's easy to conceptually understand ARM programming through the Raspberry Pi, it's hard to fully incorporate it into my knowledge because I haven't been doing much hands-on work with it, since Hunter has been focusing primarily on the programming for our assignment so far.
What was the biggest challenge?
That was it.
Yeah.
Through this project, I've also learned that the shared memory model is a model in which processes and tasks share the same relative address, and there are certain tools and mechanisms in place to prevent competition between processes and tasks fighting for memory space and creating deadlocks. And I expect to use this in the future to understand how memory works better.
No.
Okay, now.
I am Daniel Evans. This is task 3. My task for this assignment was trying to help everybody come together, provide useful screenshots of all the data that we need. To provide useful screenshots to all the data that we need for this assignment. I learned some of the more importance of the memory aspect, and hopefully in the future it'll help me with my software engineering. And one of the worst parts about this assignment was just me catching up on some of my ARM and some of my parallel programming skills. That's it. I don't know what else to say, honestly.
My name is Juana Tavera. My task for this assignment was to answer the questions on parallel programming skills. What I learned was that parallel programming models exist as an abstraction of both hardware and memory architectures, and that these models are not specific to a particular type of machine or memory architecture. The most challenging experience I encountered was understanding the previous ARM programs and understanding this one as well. I will definitely use the information that I learned from this assignment in future assignments consisting of parallel programming.
Hi, my name is Hunter Penley. I was in charge of the Raspberry Pi portion of this assignment again. This assignment I've just brushed up on my ARM assembly programming and added in unsigned integers and different sized bytes, bits into that sort of thing. We've also gone through parallel programming. It's a little bit tougher than ARM assembly. I'd say ARM assembly is quite a bit easier, a little more simple. The parallel programming seemed to be a little bit more complicated, but we still got it done. But the hardest part with this assignment was probably the parallel programming. It's more like the traditional code that I'm used to seeing, which is a little bit harder. The ARM assembly and just the x86 is quite a bit more simple in my opinion. So that was probably the hardest part. And again, meeting up's always kind of hard because I'm usually in class when they meet up. So that's a little bit annoying at times, but we make it work, and our communication is definitely there. This will definitely be helpful in the future, the parallel programming for sure, and then the ARM assembly. These assignments really help me, just a general understanding of what we're doing. They help a lot more than the labs do for x86, so I do thoroughly enjoy actually doing the ARM portion of this assignment because it really clears a lot of things up for me, and I love that you can check the registers, how we check the registers on here, and see if you've gotten the right values that you need. So yeah, I really enjoy these assignments, and it really clears a lot of things up for me, so yeah.
Hey, I'm still Reggie Jean. I'm the team coordinator for this assignment, assignment 3.
What have you learned from this assignment?
From this assignment, we learned some more in ARM programming. I've learned some of the primitive data types for ARM, like learning S, H and H for half words, B and SB for bytes, and then a couple other syntax.
How will you apply this to future jobs or future classes?
I'll just apply this until just learning all the fundations and fundamental data for ARM and apply it into ARM in the future.
What was the most challenging part?
The most challenging part is just time management and just trying to balance all my computer science classes so that I get the most work done out of all of them.